Hello, Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Welcome back, pronunciation learners, to another lesson of English pronunciation and phonetics. In this video, I'm going to cover for you the 44 sounds of the English language. The English language has got 44 sounds divided into consonants and vowels, represented here in this phonemic chart. Let's start. E as in see, I as in sit, U as in book, U as in fruit, ear as in hear, A as in eight, I as in bed, I as in about, as in girl, O as in for, U as in poor, Oi as in boy, O as in boat, A as in cat, A as in cat, A as in car, O as in pot, A as in bear or pear, I as in fly, ow as in cow or how. Now we move on to the consonants. P as in purple, B as in bee, T as in turtle, D as in do, Ch as in church or cherish, J as in Jane or July, K as in camera, G as in goat, F as in fall, V as in venom, Th as in theater, Th as in there, S as in snake, Z as in zoo, Sh as in ship, J as in pleasure or treasure, M as in mom, N as in noon, N as in kin, H as in hello, L as in late, R as in rugby, W as in wait, and the last sound is Y as in yellow. These are the English 44 sounds. If you want to pronounce words in English properly, you have to master and utter these 44 English sounds properly. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.